Alright, here we have with us an outdoor compass from Exploration Gadget. And today we're going to simulate a water drop test to see if the compass is still accurate if we accidentally drop in water. And as you can see, the needle is pointing towards north. I have a blue tape right here just as a guide so that if I accidentally move the compass, as you can see, the needle is always pointing towards north, right? And the blue line is basically an indicator that's the north directions. All right, so say we have this compass right here from Exploration Gadget. Going to the wild, we walk and accidentally drop in water like that, right? Okay, now take it out. Okay, let's see what happened. Okay, let's take it out. Shake off the water. Let's see. Oops, there's a wiring back. Okay, let's line back up to the line. All right. So as you can see, it is still functional. The compass is still pointing towards north, even after being dropped into water. Don't do this intentionally, but just in case you take it out into the wild and accidentally drop in water, and want to make sure it's still functional. It is still functional. All right, so that's conclude that this compass is quite durable for your outdoor exploration. Thank you for watching. Bye now.